Hello everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to explore the fascinating realm of human psychology and delve into the intricate layers of the mind. Specifically, we will examine the concepts of human personality development and the conscious, preconscious, and unconscious aspects of the mind. So, let's dive deep into the depths of the human psyche. Psychology of human personality development and the conscious, preconscious, and unconscious mind. Section 1. Introduction to Human Personality Development. Before we delve into the workings of the mind, let's start by understanding the concept of human personality development. Personality development refers to the unique patterns of thoughts, feelings, and behaviors that shape an individual's character and identity. It is influenced by various factors, including genetics, environment, experiences, and social interactions. Section 2. The conscious mind. Now, let's explore the conscious mind, which is the aspect of our mental processes that we are aware of in the present moment. It encompasses our immediate thoughts, perceptions, and sensations. The conscious mind plays a crucial role in decision-making, problem-solving, and self-awareness. Subsection 2.1. Self-awareness. Self-awareness is a fundamental aspect of the conscious mind. It involves our ability to recognize and understand our own thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Self-awareness allows us to reflect on our actions, make intentional choices, and develop a sense of identity. Subsection 2.2. Decision-making and problem-solving. The conscious mind is responsible for our decision-making and problem-solving abilities. It allows us to evaluate different options, consider consequences, and make rational choices. Through conscious thought processes, we can weigh pros and cons, analyze information, and plan for the future. Section 3. The preconscious mind. Moving on, let's explore the preconscious mind, which contains information that is not currently in our awareness but can be easily accessed. It acts as a storehouse of memories, knowledge, and thoughts that can be brought into consciousness when needed. Subsection 3.1. Memories and knowledge. The preconscious mind holds memories and knowledge that are not actively in our conscious awareness but can be retrieved and brought into consciousness when required. It includes factual information, learned skills, and past experiences that shape our understanding of the world. Subsection 3.2. Subliminal perception. Subliminal perception is an intriguing aspect of the preconscious mind. It refers to the ability to process information below the threshold of conscious awareness. Although subtle, subliminal cues can influence our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors, even when we are not consciously aware of them. Section 4. The unconscious mind. Now, let's explore the depths of the unconscious mind, which holds hidden and inaccessible aspects of our psyche. The unconscious mind is a reservoir of thoughts, desires, fears, and memories that greatly influence our thoughts, behaviors, and emotions. Subsection 4.1. Freud's psychoanalytic theory. Sigmund Freud, a prominent figure in psychology, proposed the concept of the unconscious mind and developed psychoanalytic theory. According to Freud, the unconscious mind contains repressed thoughts, desires, and memories that have been pushed out of conscious awareness. These hidden contents can shape our behavior and influence our experiences. Subsection 4.2. Influence on behavior and emotions. The unconscious mind has a profound impact on our behavior and emotions, often operating beneath our conscious awareness. It influences our motivations, fears, and desires, shaping how we perceive and interact with the world. Unresolved conflicts and unconscious patterns can lead to psychological challenges and impact our well-being. Subsection 4.3. Dreams and symbolism. Dreams provide a window into the unconscious mind. During sleep, our unconscious thoughts and desires can surface through dream imagery and symbolism. Analyzing dreams can provide insights into our subconscious struggles, aspirations, and unresolved issues. Section 5. Integration and self-discovery. Understanding the interplay between the conscious, preconscious, and unconscious aspects of the mind is essential for self-discovery and personal growth. By exploring these layers of the mind, we can gain insight into our thoughts, behaviors, and emotions, and work towards a more integrated and authentic self. Subsection 5.1. Self-reflection and therapy. Self-reflection and therapy can help us explore our unconscious processes and gain awareness of patterns that may be influencing our lives. Through techniques such as psychoanalysis, cognitive behavioral therapy, and mindfulness, we can uncover hidden aspects of ourselves, heal past wounds, and develop a more balanced and fulfilling life. Subsection 5.2. Harnessing the power of the mind. Understanding the nature of the mind empowers us to harness its potential. By becoming more aware of our conscious and unconscious processes, we can make deliberate choices, overcome limitations, and cultivate positive change. Techniques such as meditation, visualization, and affirmations can aid in accessing and reshaping our subconscious beliefs. In conclusion, the psychology of human personality development and the conscious, preconscious, and unconscious mind offer a fascinating glimpse into the complexities of our inner world. By exploring and understanding these aspects, we can gain insight, foster self-awareness, and embark on a journey of personal growth. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.